Hi everyone, welcome my YouTube channel. Today I want to make beautiful Mother's Day cake recipe she never forget. Let's start. 1.5 cup of yogurt. Add 1 cup of sugar. 1/3 cup vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon vanilla. And mix ingredients together. 2 1/4 cups flour. 1.5 teaspoon baking powder. 1.5 vanilla powder. Mix the ingredients together. Please note that I'm using only one cake pan and therefore I'm baking twice to make this cake. Warm up the oven for 15 minutes, then put the cake into the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Then cut the blackberries into half. Add the blackberries to the pan, then add 1/3 cup sugar, quarter cup water. Mix the ingredients together. Now keep blackberry sauce to cool down and let's start preparing cake cream. 340 grams butter. Then mix it until to become cream. Then add 200 grams sugar powder. Then mix them together. One and a half cup cream cheese. 1 teaspoon May Waret. Mix the ingredients together. Slice the newly baked cake 2 slices from the middle to add the cream. Mix milk with sugar, then brush on the mixture on top of the cake before adding the cream and the blackberry sauce. Now put the cake into the fridge so we can prepare the frosting. 300 grams butter. Then mix it until to become cream. One and a half cup of condensed milk. Mix the ingredients together. Now I'm going to decorate the cake with artificial rose petals, but you have to choose to decorate the cake with real rose petals.
So yummy. Thank you, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day. Please like and share.